The UK's in lockdown. Not allowed out my house. What am I going to do? I know what. Let's dig out some old toys. Hi, it's not meant to be a very polished presentation, but I just thought I'd dig out my Commodore PET that I've had since God knows when. One owner bought it new, and it's been with me ever since. Currently been living under the stairs for about the last 18 years. As you can see, it's in reasonably good condition, apart from what looks like spider shit. Excuse my French. Using the GoPro to film it, as I thought I'd just show you what the fault is when I turned it on. When the screen comes up, it's a bit higgledy-piggledy, but it is almost telling you how much memory it's got, but it's not happy. And the keyboard does something. It's actually doing something, and I thought I'd show you what's going on inside. So that's the I don't know, in the UK you would have called that a bonnet catch, but it's not very light in here. But as you can see, it's quite dusty. And that's the extra memory chips I put in to take it from 16K to 32. And you know, if it's an electrolytic capacitor fault, there ain't that many. But I think the first thing is to clean it, because if you look over here, I'm not sure if it'll come out well. It's more spider shit, I think. As I think some spiders have been living up there. There were some cobwebs and things. But, so that's the current state of it. As you can see, very dusty. So this is part one, I suppose. And if anyone watching has got any pointers on what's causing the corrupt screen and where to look, it will be appreciated. If you want to see more videos like this, or part two of the PET, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Catch you on the next video. Commodore disk drive and the Commodore tape player.